don't know about you, but I love to keep a bottle of water with me at all times. But when you're in a wheelchair or a walker, it becomes kind of hard. This cup holder attaches to your wheelchair, walker, or rollator, just to name a few. Let's check it out. You can take your beverage with you wherever you go. It could be a water bottle, a soda can drink, a coffee mug, or a coffee cup. Containers come in many sizes, but with an adjustable height, it can accommodate them. It folds flat when not in use, so it can keep out of the way. It rotates so it can fit many places on your mobility device. Here's the back of the box, and it has easy to use instructions that shows you how to attach and to use your cup holder. Let's show you how it works. First, decide where it should go, then it makes it easy for you to access. For example, it could go right here up front or right here in the back. Quick note, make sure this ring is in the downward position before doing the next step. Second, stretch out this strap. If your hands aren't strong enough, ask for help from a family member, friend, or neighbor. Third, pull this tab, it's the flat piece, then rotate the disc with your other hand to the side 90 degrees, and this helps when mounting it to this vertical bar. Fourth, pull the strap and hook one of these holes over the knob, which is this square-shaped piece, until tight. The best thing about this strap is it's flexible and it fits different shapes of tubing. Now let's say you want it on the side of the rollator that has angled tubing. The cup holder needs to be in a vertical position. Pull on the tab, rotate your cup holder till it is upright. Let's firmly squeeze the ring like this while lifting it to the top and snapping it into place. The ring has two positions, upper and lower. To get it to the lower position, squeeze the ring, tilt down, go down about 1 inch, tilt back, and slide down until it stops. Now when you're not using it, did you know it folds up and keeps it out of the way? Ensure the ring is in the upper position. Fold the base up, squeeze the ring and tilt downward, and push the ring down onto the base, just like this. Now it's time for some tips and tricks for the cup holder. Use a closed container to help avoid spills. Mount the cup holder on the vertical bars, not the horizontal bar, because your drink could tip and spill. Squeeze the ring to slide it up or down for short, taller containers, and then snap into place. Have a big mug, keep the ring in the lower position. Strap excess can be cut off, but be careful not to cut off too much. To lock this ring in the lower position, make sure that the slot on the back of the ring engages with this hook on the frame. Did you know that the cup holder also works great in golf carts? I've got a great customer review from Shirley I'd like to share with you. I bought this for my mother's wheelchair so that she doesn't have to hold a cup in her lap when I take her out and about. I like that it collapses so it's not sticking out when I put the wheelchair in my vehicle. Thanks, Shirley. We've explored the cup holder today and talked about its many uses. Now it's time for you to get yours.